Hi everyone, if you have a Lenovo Legion Go and you want to change the color or the way they show up, you have to go to the Legion Space to change it. Then open the Legion Space, then go to the controllers and then go to the joystick light. Here you will have some effects, like you can select the current profile or you can choose the other one. You can change the color of the light, say like it's gonna change. It changed. Let's do red and yellow actually. So yep, so if you want you can choose lighting effects too, like solid. Now it will stay as solid. Before it was blinking. You can do dynamic color, or you can do like spiral rainbow. So this is how you change the color and brightness and speed and other systems. And if you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section below. I'll try to help. Please subscribe if this video helped you. Thanks a lot.